are here today as a leadership of the Somali business community with the commercial attachee of the embassy paid a courtesy visit to Honorable Tut Galwak, whereby we first of all conveyed our congratulatory message of the new year to His Excellency, the President and the people of South Sudan. We also shared our hope and happiness for the year 2021 to be the year of peace, progress, prosperity and unity. On behalf of the Somali business community, on behalf of the business Somali community, not only we want to be part of the progress and prosperity, but also to contribute whatever we can. Having said that, we have also discussed number of issues related to our business. We explain the different sectors of our business. We shared number of our areas of concern in terms of price hike, which is affecting the people of South Sudan, and the fluctuation of the hard currency, which is also affected the economy of the country. We offer also our solutions, what we believe it can help. In conclusion, we can happily say that we have had a very good and profitable discussion with the Honorable Tut Galwak, and we share more cooperation with him. We thank to the President of South Sudan, Salva Kiir Mayardit, and the people of South Sudan, the platform they offer to us as a Somali community. We live in this country, brothership and lovely brothership with them.